Wednesday, June 12th. Let's check in and see what's going on with Dad.
Yeah.
Okay.
Some extra elbow grease pounding on.
So,
Race. Bearing. Race.
so Dad finally got the axles back here.
And I just got the new bearings this morning.
Okay.
Because they've been on and off a few times, so. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
Tight?
Yeah. Perfect. That's the old one.
Yeah, I just want to show you. See, they go to the gnarled, eh?
Yeah.
So, what I do here now is I'm going to line these all up.
Mm-hmm.
Because I have to go off of this one, the old one.
Okay.
So everything is square. Cement here. Okay, where's the cap? Right here. Okay, now we need a solid wooden block here, a thick one. Right there, you get right there, clean. Hey, right here. Hold that. I gotta get a pipe that fits over there. Hold it straight.
Move a little bit, yeah.
We'll lift it up and look sideways. It has to go to there.
That mark.
It's a foul over, eh? Can you see it moving?
Yeah, it's moving.
Straight.
Yeah, it's moving.
How close is it? Gotta go yet.
Yeah. Still more.
Yep. Can you see?
Yeah, still more.
I don't want it to go over, eh?
Still more.
I'll measure it. It has to be dead accurate, eh?
We're at this close to the stage. And still 8. Just a bit,
16 maybe. Okay. Okay, put that into the axle hole. And turn it. Just a minute, I want to check to make sure that the
clean. The
seal,
seal's good.
the ring is in there. Shit. Yeah, it's in there.
Check the end before you put it in, so it doesn't have any dirt or anything like that on the end.
It's clean, Rob, but it has to have grease in it.
Yeah, to slide this in. And
What I meant is this end.
oh
Make
yeah,
sure there's
yeah. I'd
nothing there.
washed all this.
Okay.
Yeah, no, I'd washed all these
Okay.
spline and the threads and everything. We put it through the through the cleaners. Make sure we get the right end plate.
Hey?
Gotta make sure we get the right end plate. So where do you want the grease? Right there.
Slide it in, see if it grabs. You have to turn it, jiggle it around. Okay, now I have to put the race in there. Then we put that in.
Okay, so take her back out.
Yep.
Yeah, there was no.
Okay, what we're gonna do here is I'm gonna put a little grease on there.
See
And we're
where.
gonna slide it in again. And straight in, straight out. I wanna see how far it's going in. Round up.
With Roundup. So we'll see how his
Okay, I wanna see what the mark says.
Yeah, I was hoping my beans and my corn and peas didn't rot on me too with this weather. But they started popping up yesterday, I noticed.
beans are the only ones that would kind of rot on you.
Okay, pull it straight out now. Let's see where the mark is.
Well, you guys are just so busy. So I got
Well, some of us have things to do and other ones got fuck all to do, so that's how it goes.
You got that right.
He's been waiting for this for a month, so he's in his moment right now, Mr. Taylor.
Turn it. Let's see what happens for Mark. Okay. It's hard to tell.
Okay, well, Dad and the Quebec Highlander figure all this out. I'm happy that he's got his axles back. This is what he's going to be working on here for the rest of the day. I think once they get figured out there with the new bearings and get the races and the seals on, it'll be good. And then hopefully we'll get the tracks on here again soon. And so now that he's got the axles, it's one less thing for him to worry about, but this was a big worry here for us. So this is what the guys are working on today, and we'll check back in with tomorrow.